have been working on our collages and using the principles of design to create our collages out of magazines. And today we're going to be doing some painting exercises so we are able to start painting our collages, because I know a lot of you haven't worked with acrylic paint before or maybe paint in general. But I brought my painting in just so you can see it as an example of what we're working towards. And you guys can all do it. Everybody did a great job today with the exercises, and I know that you guys will as well. So first off, in our today's schedule that I've written on the board, we have acrylic paint, okay? Has anybody really worked with acrylic paint or heard of it before? So yeah, got some over there. Okay, so I just want to go over a few rules or tips, I guess, with acrylic paint, because it's really important to know these. So I use acrylic paint in mine, but something that's really important to know is that it's very hard to blend with acrylic paint. It dries super fast, so you got to make sure that you are careful about that and make sure that it doesn't dry too quickly in order for you to blend. Another important thing is because it dries fast, it stains clothes. So I know all of you guys want to look nice or cute or whatever for school, but just be prepared, especially next week, to bring in maybe a t-shirt or something to throw over, because I didn't even paint today and I have paint all over me. So it spreads everywhere, so just make sure that you guys are aware of that. Also, because it dries fast, we got to make sure that we are cleaning out our paintbrushes, okay? If it hardens, then the paintbrush has to go in the trash. So we want to make sure that we are very careful with that and always washing our paintbrushes. And then for our palettes, we want to make sure that we don't use a lot of paint, okay? A little bit of paint goes a long way, so let's make sure that we aren't using a lot of it. And then also when we end up cleaning the palettes, we got to keep the water running, because just a thick thing of paint going down the drain is going to clog it up, okay? I know that is a lot to remember, just those little tips. I just want to let you guys know so you're aware of it. But I'm going to keep reminding you throughout class today of those little tips, okay? So today our exercise is going to be surrounded, and I have it on the board. You're not supposed to see that. Okay, so we're going to be working on tint and shade. So you probably already saw, but does anybody have an idea what tint could mean? Anybody?
Like,
Do you?
No,
Okay.
you're not in here.
Yeah,
Sorry,
so
guys.
as you saw on the board, tint means you're adding white to a color. Okay, so you're making it lighter. You're creating highlights, okay? So as you see here, this yellow over here is a lot lighter than this yellow, okay? That means I'm creating highlights. Or like on her jeans, you'll see like lighter spots, okay? That's because I'm adding white to the paint, creating highlights. So because tint is white, shade is the opposite. So what is shade?
Black.
Black. Good job. Okay, so yes. So adding black creates a shade, okay? So that's like other little crevices inside of the jeans. You guys look at your clothes, there's different crevices. And because of that, you have shading in there, okay? It's darker. So that's going to help you with that, okay? So today, in order to practice tint and shade, we're going to be creating a value chart, okay? I'll use this as an example. So this is what you're going to be creating. Don't pay attention to the bottom part, okay? So basically, you're going to start with a primary color in the center. And does anybody know what the primary colors are?
Red, yellow, blue.
Yeah, the ones that are on the table in front of me, right? Okay. I'm giving us all the answers today. So those are our primary colors, is red, yellow, and blue. Okay, does anybody know why they are primary colors?
They're the baseball colors, and you can't mix any two colors to get those colors.
Yeah, so you can't mix any colors to get these colors. So great answer, good job. So yes, these are our primary colors. Now, if I mix red and blue, what does that give me? Purple. Purple, yes, good job. So that would be a secondary color. So let's do red and yellow. What does that mean?
Orange.
It's not green. But here, how about this one? Blue and yellow.
Green.
There you go, good job. So yes, so yellow and blue makes green. So those are secondary colors, okay? And there's even more than that. We have tertiary colors, which is even more paints mixed.